And I'm standing inside Mr. Trump's luxurious new 757. I'm here to give you an inside look into traveling Trump style. Mr. Trump's new plane fits 43 passengers, has approximately a 16-hour range, and flies at speeds of over 500 miles per hour. It is powered by Rolls-Royce engines. Let's take a look inside. Here we are in the galley, and now we're going to head into the first-class sleeper area. You'll notice the seat belts, as well as everything else, are 24-karat gold-plated. Each sleeper seat is equipped with an audio-visual system featuring a TV that is fed with all the various video sources available on the jet. This is the dining area. This is the main lounge featuring the Sky Theater system. It features a 57-inch screen and the sound system of a top Hollywood screening room. Let's take a look. The multiplex movie system has a DVD direct storage of 1,000 movies and 2,500 CDs on demand throughout the cabin. It also includes an interactive touchscreen control system allowing full control of the system and all rooms wirelessly from anywhere in the plane. A special T button was added to the touchscreen for guide access to Mr. Trump's DVR favorite movies and CDs. Here we have the guest area. The guest room, which is completely wrapped in wood and features another amazing home theater system. The guest bedroom has a magnificent mohair divan that converts into a full-size bed for use on extended trips. Here we are in Mr. Trump's bedroom. Mr. Trump's bedroom has yards and yards of elegant gold silk adorning the cabin walls. A custom headboard as well as comforter were created to complement. Mr. Trump also has a custom theater. Custom designed pillows embroidered with the Trump family crest were designed to coordinate throughout, including the headrest on the aircraft. The master bathroom with a shower and 24-karat gold-plated sink. VIP area. Here we are on the flight deck. This has been upgraded to a state-of-the-art flat panel glass display. I hope you enjoyed your look inside Mr. Trump's custom-designed VIP 757. Stay tuned.